Now for those of you who watch the channel for a while, you know that I have a few Stirling engines, and here is one of them. But you see, it is broken. We're going to try and fix it. So, only a quick video. I'm going to attempt to fix this. Let's go. A spare glass cylinder. So, okay, so this engine hasn't run in about a year due to the fact it broke down. So this is the point where I'll find them a burner for it. I don't know if this will fit it or not, if it'll just do for now. Now this engine luckily runs on, can also run on a second burner I have. It's bigger, but it will run off it. Because it has run off it before. So though it's a lot bigger, the engine, believe it or not, even though it's bigger, runs slower off it. So always put the lid back on the methylated spirits when you're done. So if balls knock over when you're running your Stirling engine, nothing will be spilled. So now we just bring the wick up a bit, which means your hands will get a bit of methylated spirity. So make sure before you light the burner, you dry your hands off. And there we go. It's lit. It will burn a bit bigger initially. But it'll die down once the burner. It's just there might be a bit on the outside. There you go. See, the burner's got down a bit now. But it is so close, guys. I'm gonna have to film this. I just saw some movement. The engine's so close. Can you see the movement? Yes! Oh my god! Yes, it's working! You guys have no idea how happy this makes me. You have no idea how happy this makes me. That is the first time acceleration. That's the first time I've actually restored a broken engine. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Finally, I've done it for once. I'm so proud of myself, guys. So proud of myself. I'll let you see it running for a bit. So guys, the engine, as you can see, is running perfectly. Now, probably because it hasn't been running for a while, and that's because it's got a bit of an uneven burner. I see the speed's fluctuating, so you can get a bit slower, a bit faster, depending on what the fire's doing. I can hear it slow down a bit. But let's listen to that, guys. It's fantastic, isn't it? Obviously, this engine doesn't have an exhaust, so basically the burner heats up the air inside this cylinder here, and then the hot air travels along here. Oh,